Welcome back. AI isn't just something we read about in textbooks. It's all around us, shaping our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. From virtual assistants on our smartphones to healthcare diagnostics, AI is transforming industries. In today's lesson, we'll explore how AI is making an impact in healthcare, transportation, education, and entertainment. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already integrated into many aspects of our lives. Let's take a look at some of the most exciting and impactful areas where AI is being applied. Let's start with healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the way doctors diagnose and treat diseases. AI systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays or MRIs, and help doctors identify conditions like tumors, fractures, or infections more accurately and quickly than ever before. AI is also playing a key role in personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their unique genetic makeup and medical history. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help doctors select the most effective treatments for each patient, improving outcomes and reducing side effects. Next, let's look at transportation. One of the most exciting applications of AI in this field is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to analyze their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate the roads safely without human intervention. AI is also improving traffic prediction and management. With AI, cities can optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and make commuting more efficient by predicting traffic patterns and suggesting alternate routes. AI is also making waves in education. Intelligent tutoring systems are revolutionizing how students learn by providing personalized instruction based on their individual needs and learning pace. These AI tutors can adapt the difficulty of lessons in real time, offer feedback, and help students understand challenging concepts. By making education more personalized, AI is helping students learn more effectively and at their own pace. Lastly, let's talk about entertainment. AI is used extensively in recommendation systems that suggest movies, music, and even books based on your personal preferences. If you've ever logged into Netflix and noticed a list of movies or shows recommended just for you, that's AI at work. AI analyzes your past behavior, what you've watched or listened to, and compares it with millions of other users to suggest content that's most likely to appeal to you. This technology is also used in platforms like Spotify and YouTube, enhancing our entertainment experience. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on AI in everyday life. We've seen how AI is transforming industries like healthcare, transportation, education, and entertainment, making our lives easier, safer, and more personalized. AI isn't just a tool for tech companies. It's shaping the future of many sectors and has endless possibilities. Be sure to subscribe to Gift Tech Solutions for more insights into the world of AI, and stay tuned for our next lesson.